Hey guys, this is Henry here again. All right. First of all, before I jump into this video, I want to say thanks to all you guys, all my subscribers. Thank you for the like, for the support, the comments, and everything. God bless you. Without wasting much time, I want to show you guys something very important that will help your trading experience much more easier and better. Now, this app here called MyFxBook. I just click the app right now. Once you click the app right now, this is the dashboard. But I want to show you guys something called the Outlook. You might have seen this before. You might have heard about this before. All right. Now, these informations are actually helpful. Now, these informations doesn't mean that it will always go in line with what they are predicting. This is the retailers. If you see the first one, EUR/USD. Now the retailers, they are telling you that this is the amount of people who are going short on EUR/USD, meaning amount of people who are saying EUR is going to sell to USD. If you check the amount of people saying to buy, it's very, very low. So this will give you an insight to what the retailers are thinking. Do you understand? You shouldn't just use this alone as your signal to go and trade. No, there are times whereby it doesn't always go as the retailers predict or the retailers feel it will go. So you can use this plus your indicator to get proper information on where the market is going. Now, you guys, like I said earlier, you guys always know me to be somebody who always brings information that will lessen your hard work, information that will help you win in the forex market, and not just in the forex market alone, but also in the cryptocurrency market. All right, now I want to show you how this outlook actually helped my trade today. All right, today we traded on EUR/AUD. We sold EUR/AUD in my VIP group and my free group. Now, okay, I actually got information from here. I came here, I checked because my indicator has already shown me a potential sell. So just to confirm, I came here to also check what the retailers are thinking and what they are saying. And to my surprise, they are actually saying the same thing, that it's going to be a sell. All right, let me just quickly show you. Now, this is EUR/USD. If you check it here, now let me quickly show you. Let me go to my Telegram group so you can see for yourself how the trade actually went. All right, as you can see, the first one is Spirit FX VIP group. That's my VIP group. The second one is the free group, and the third one is the free group. The first free group, I have 2,342 members. The second free group, I have 1,887. So, but that's not the issue. I want to show you guys the trade. All right, let me scroll up. Okay, if you check this screenshot here, I said both new TP hits. These are new TPs. But let me scroll up to show you where I dropped the signal. All right, as you can see, this is the signal. I said sell EUR/AUD, apply proper risk management, TP1 and TP2. So as you can see, this is the first screenshot that showed that we are actually on the right track, heading towards the TP1. Let me go back. Now, this is me saying TP1 hit. As you can see, EUR/AUD. Let me go back again. Now, this is me telling you, as you can see, TP2 hit. Can you see, guys? TP2 hit, EUR/AUD. All right, and these are screenshots from members, rather. These are screenshots from members. Then this is me sharing new TPs, and the both new TPs actually hit. This is the new TP1 hits. So what I'm saying in essence is EUR/AUD actually sold in line with my FX book, as you can see here. So guys, you can also make use of this in your trading experience. You can also download the app and always look at this. If you are a one-man trader, someone who wants to be trading alone, who doesn't depend on signal groups and other things. That is probably you have grown to a level whereby you know how to study the chart and you have a very, very, very good reliable indicator that you make use of. So if that's the case, now I advise you to add this to your indicators also, because it actually help. It does help. As you can see, it helped me today. I didn't focus on this alone. Get it straight. I didn't focus on this alone, because now let me tell you something. There's a saying that in the forex market, 90% of the retailers always lose. Do you understand? Yes, that there's a saying like that. So meaning there are times whereby you will see that the retailers will be saying EUR will sell. Let's use the first one as example, ERUSD. As you can see, the retailers are saying it will sell. The people saying it will buy, which are, I think, what are they called? Are they called the hedge funds, or who are they called? Yeah, is very, very low. So you might think, oh, because of the red has almost covered the green, meaning it's going to sell. There are times whereby it doesn't sell, guys, it buys, and you'll be wondering, is this thing not working? It actually does work. It works. So, but what I'm saying in essence is, don't just focus on it alone as your signal. Don't focus on it alone as your signal. So that is it, guys. If this video has been helpful, if you have learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe, guys. Thank you very much.